Now, why is a credit simulator so important? Well, when borrowers are trying to qualify for a loan, they need to have a minimum credit score to qualify for certain types of mortgages. The simulator can guide them on how to achieve that score. The next reason why simulators are so important is better interest rates. Improving a credit score can lead to more favorable interest rates and loan terms, potentially saving the borrower thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. So it is worth the time investing in a credit simulator. Next, strategic planning. It helps both mortgage professionals and borrowers develop a targeted credit improvement plan, focusing on actions that will have the most significant impact on their credit scores. In essence, a mortgage credit simulator is a valuable tool for both lenders and borrowers to maximize the chances of mortgage approval and to secure the best possible tools for that borrower.